I drink water every morning.
Drink water. It means to take water into your mouth and swallow it.
I drink water every morning. I pour water into the glass.
Pour water. It means to make water flow from one container to another.
I pour water into the glass. I spilled water on the table.
Spill water. It means to accidentally let water fall or spread.
I spilled water on the table. I drew water from the well.
Draw water. It means to pull water from a well or source.
I drew water from the well. I sprinkle water on the flowers.
Sprinkle water. It means to drop small amounts of water over something.
I sprinkle water on the flowers. I boil water for tea.
Boil water. It means to heat water until it becomes very hot and bubbles.
I boil water for tea. I fill the bottle with water.
Fill water. It means to make something full with water.
I fill the bottle with water. I wash my hands with water.
Wash with water. It means to clean something using water.
I wash my hands with water. I splash water in the lake.
Splash water. It means to throw or move water around playfully or forcefully.
I splash water in the lake. I rinse dishes with water.
Rinse with water. It means to wash something lightly with clean water.
I rinse dishes with water. Farmers irrigate crops with water.
Irrigate with water. It means to supply water to plants or crops.
Farmers irrigate crops with water. I collect rainwater.
Collect water. It means to gather water from different sources.
I collect rainwater. I store water for later.
Store water. It means to keep water for future use.
I carry water home.
Carry water. It means to take water from one place to another.
I pipe pump water from the ground.
Pump water. It means to move water using a machine.
I pipe pump water from the ground. I filter water before drinking.
Filter water. It means to remove dirt or impurities from water.
I filter water before drinking. I purify dirty water.
Purify water. It means to make water clean and safe to drink.
I purify dirty water. Water freezes in winter.
Freeze water. It means to turn water into ice.
Water freezes in winter. Ice melts into water.
Melt water. It means to change ice into liquid water.
Ice melts into water. Water evaporates in heat.
Evaporate water. It means to turn water into vapor by heat.
Water evaporates in heat. The river flows with water.
Flow water. It means to move smoothly like a river.
The river flows with water. Water drips from leaves.
Drip water. It means to fall in small drops.
Water drips from leaves. The pipe leaks water.
Leak water. It means to escape slowly through a hole or crack.
The pipe leaks water. Rain floods the streets.
Flood water. It means to cover an area with too much water.
Rain floods the streets. I spray water on the ground.
Spray water. It means to spread water in small drops through air.
I spray water on the ground. Rain soaks the soil.
Soak with water. It means to make something very wet.
Rain soaks the soil. The soil absorbs water.
Absorb water. It means to take in water like a sponge.
Sugar dissolves in water.
Dissolve in water. It means to mix completely into water.
Sugar dissolves in water. I mix juice with water. All mix.
Mix with water. It means to combine something with water.
I mix juice with water. All mix. Water cools hot things.
Cool with water. It means to reduce heat using water.
Water cools hot things. Water cleans the floor.
Clean with water. It means to remove dirt using water.
Water cleans the floor. Water refreshes me.
Refresh with water. It means to make someone feel fresh using water.
Water refreshes me. Water quenches my thirst.
Quench thirst with water. It means to satisfy thirst by drinking water.
Water quenches my thirst. The leaf floats on water.
Float on water. It means to stay on the surface of water.
The leaf floats on water. The stone sinks in water.
Sink in water. It means to go down below the surface of water.
The stone sinks in water. Wind makes waves in water.
Wave water. It means to move water in rising and falling motion.
Wind makes waves in water. Fish make ripples in water.
Ripple water. It means to create small waves on water.
Fish make ripples in water. Tears stream like water.
Stream water. It means to flow continuously like a stream.
Tears stream like water. Water drains away.
Drain water. It means to remove water from a place.
Water drains away. Save water. Water is life.
Save water. It means to use water carefully and not waste it.